To add a hyperlink in your PDF file, first of all, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. And then under Tool section, click on Edit PDF. And here click on Link. And select Add, Edit, Web or Document Link. And now you have to select the text or image or part where you want to add a hyperlink. Once you select it, here, Link Action, select Custom Link. And you can change this link appearance. Then just click on Next. And here, select Actions. And click on the Select Action drop down and select Open a web link. And click on Add. And in this URL link box, just paste your hyperlink that you want to add to your PDF. And then click on OK. And OK. And you have successfully added the hyperlink to your PDF file. Now click on Close. And whenever you click on the selected part, the link will open in your browser just like this. That's it for now.